Warm up, revisiting transformations. Apply the transformation rule xy becomes transformed to negative y comma x to quadrilateral ABCD. What is the effect of the transformation rule? All right, so I'm going to start by creating a table of our coordinates here. So A is at 0, 0, so our origin. B is at 5, -2. C is at 6, 0. And then D is at 5, +2. All right, so this is our original figure. And so I'm going to keep this as like x comma y, right? That is our original figure. And then our transformation is -y comma x. So in this transformation, it looks like the x and y values are switching, and then the y value is switching, and it's also becoming negative. So let's just apply that transformation here to these coordinate pairs. So for A, I've got 0, 0. Well, if we just switch them and there's not really a sign here, it'll still stay as 0, 0. So I'm going to call this A prime, right? This is like our transformed figure. When we look at B prime, right, so our x and y value is 5 and -2. I'm going to switch that, so this becomes a negative of the -2. So negative, -2, comma, 5, right? And so this will become a +2, comma, 5. So again, we just flipped the x and y coordinates and then put a negative sign in front of the original y coordinate here. Let's look at C prime. So our y coordinate here is 0, so that's going to change and go into the x coordinate spot here. So 0, comma, 6. And then lastly, let's look at our D prime. 2 is our y coordinate. That shifts, becomes -2 in this transformation, so it's a -2, comma, 5. All right, so let's plot these points. A prime is at 0, 0, so I'm just going to keep this here and I'll put like A prime. B prime is at 2, comma, 5, so let's go over 2 and then up 5, so right about there. C prime is at 0, 6. And then we've got D prime at -2, comma, 5. So over -2 and then up 5. All right, so I'm going to connect these points. You'll notice, right, our figure has not changed in size or shape. It looks like it's been rotated. So the second part of this asks us, what is the effect of the transformation rule? So let's look at segment AD and then segment A prime, D prime. If you look at, here I will use, let's highlight this over here. If you look at segment AD and then A prime, D prime, so I'm gonna label that, we'll see that it forms like a right angle here. That's our 90-degree angle, right? So it looks like it was a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation about the origin, right? So think of the origin 0, 0 as like our center of rotation, and we just rotated this figure counterclockwise by 90 degrees to get our figure A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime.